All right, here's a little bring back. This was so popular earlier. We just wanted to show it to you again. It's a Wicker Park set of 2 Faux Bougainvillea. They're 13-inch spheres, and they come in these 2 colors. This is what we have left, light pink and white. And here's pink and purple. They're by Wicker Park. And something really cool that was shown to me earlier is you can actually take them apart, and now this set of 2 actually becomes a set of 4. So what a great value. If you're thinking of it as a set of 2, they're $15 each. If you're thinking of a set of 4, each piece is $7.50. The QVC price was $61, and now it's on clearance for $29.99. That is a $31 savings. That is more than half. The easy pay is $10. And just think about how these bright, beautiful, easy to maintain bougainvillea can just brighten up any space. I mean, look at this picture right here. Look at this front door. It's magnificent with all of that beautiful pop of color everywhere. Gorgeous. I mentioned that, you know, I spent some time in some warmer climate areas, and you would just see these white buildings, like for example in Spain, and then pops of bright bougainvillea, and it was just really stunning. And these, you don't have to water, very low maintenance. They're gonna last you year after year. So please, if this is something that interests you, get yours because we're getting very limited. Here is the pink and purple, and here is the light pink and white on clearance for $29.99. That is item number M94669. The garden event continues with my friend Pat and the Roberta's team. So don't go anywhere. I had so much fun with you. Thank you so much. I'm Avisha Scarborough, and I'll see you next time.